You blow my mind.
Hey everybody, Andy here. So we are doing a little return visit to Jamestown Mall. So we're going to try to check out some points of interest that we missed the last time. So come along with us again and check it out. This is actually our second video of the day. So we're hoping for 3 today. We're not sure if that's possible or not, but we did a bike ride at the Chain of Rocks Bridge earlier, and now we have the Jamestown Mall. But we'll put the link to the other one down in the description, our first video of the day. And then we'll also put the link to the first time we visited Jamestown Mall back in April. So come check it out. Yep.
Don't forget to give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you get all the latest videos. This is part 2 of Abandoned Jamestown Mall. So Andy is controlling our flight. We came prepared. We have some cheat sheet notes of where we want to fly it in hopes to get some different footage that we had before. And it is July 12th, a lot warmer than when we did this back in April. And a little
Birds are swarming the thing.
A little bit windier. So
look at the birds. is a little building on top, and there's like an open door. There's a staircase, open door. Interesting. Okay, I'm trying to get a peek inside this door here. Looks like a mop bucket. I don't know. Probably not gonna see a ton of stuff. Alright, so we're about done. We're gonna get one more shot of maybe in the restaurant again, but this place is a lot more overgrown than the last time.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life feels lemons, just hold me. Just hold me. Just hold me. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call me. Just call me. Just call me.
Hey everybody, well, that wraps up our second visit to Jamestown Mall. We did some other things we hadn't done before, like went in a couple of skylights and went in a couple of doors and went farther into the restaurant. So I think we've done all we could do.
And it's hot and we're done.
Oh yeah, it's hot. It's much hotter than in April. It's
We
87.
have done the mall, so this project is
Done.
complete.
All right, hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and
Hit the bell so you get all the latest footage.
yep.
And all your comments really help with the analytics of getting our channel recommended. So
Yep.
we appreciate any and all likes and comments.
Yep, that's right. Thanks everybody, and have a good one.
See ya.